Good morning. Today we are correcting PO17. Seems like a long time ago that we did this last week Monday. So it's been a whole week. So let's get our brains back into that math track that we were on, remembering how it is that we are working with these fractions. So PO17, I can multiply fractions by fractions. Remember, we multiply straight across, and then we simplify if we can. So I'm just going to read across our answers, and then you can ask if you have questions on how I got the answer I got. So the first row is 15 over 32, 1 over 21, 2 over 3, 10 over 9, or if you change it into a mixed number, it would be 1 and 1 over 9, and then 4 over 9. Any questions on that first row? Remember, if you did not simplify, if it is not that final answer that I circled on the test, it will be wrong. We have to remember to simplify when we can. The bottom row, 2 over 7, 1, 1 over 2, 4 sevenths, and 1 over 72. Any questions on that bottom row? Okay, then we have our word problems. Your family orders a pizza and gives you 1/2, which you split evenly with your pet cat. So you get a half of the half and your cat gets a half of the half. What fraction of the original pizza do you eat? You are eating 1/2 of half of the pizza. So that word of means that we are multiplying. So your final amount is 1/2 of 1/2. So you get 1/4 of the pizza, of that original pizza. Our second one, you inherit a large plot of land from your grandparents. Your mom gets 1/6 of the original plot and you get 1/8 of her share. What fraction of the original plot of land do you own? Well, you get 1/8 of 1/6. So 1/8 times 1/6, or 1/6 times 1/8. So you get 1/48. Because 1 times 1 is 1, 6 times 8 is 48. So what fraction of the original plot do you own? That would be 1/48. And then that original plot is $96,000. How much is your 1/48? Well, that's 1/48 of $96,000. So when we multiply by a whole number, we put it over a 1. Multiply across, so we have $96,000 over 48. 96 divided by 48, because it goes in there evenly, you get $2,000 for your plot of land. So there were 2 questions on this. You needed to do both answers. On the test, when we have word problems, you can't just answer the first one and not the second one. You have to make sure you fully answer it. Bennett, when I'm recording, that's not time for that. Nolan.
I got 1/3 of the question wrong, so I did just half wrong then.
So on the test, we don't do halves. So it's either right or it's wrong. So just, do you understand where you went wrong?
Yeah.
Okay. So on the homework, we're just learning it. But on the test, if you only got part of it right, it would be considered all wrong. Any other questions? If you didn't have 1/48 and $2,000, do you understand it now? Because there will be questions like this on the test. You will have some where you're just multiplying fractions, but you will have a word problem. So you need to make sure that you understand how to solve the word problems. We're doing good? Show me your thumbs. How do you feel about multiplying fractions? Okay. If you're watching at home, I hope you're well, and I hope to see you soon. Have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like and subscribe.